Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set any song as custom ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A55. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open Settings app. This is where you'll find all customization options for your device. Step 2. Now scroll down and locate Sound and Vibration option, then tap on it. This section allows you to adjust various sound settings on your phone, including volume levels, notification sounds, and of course, ringtones. Step 3. Next, locate Ringtone option and tap on it. This will open a list of all default ringtones available on your device. Step 4. Now locate plus symbol on right side of screen and tap on it. This will open your file manager, displaying all audio files stored on your device. Here, you can browse through your music library and choose song you want to use as your ringtone. Step 5. For final and most important step, select song you want to set as your ringtone. Once you've chosen your desired song, tap Done option. Your custom ringtone will now be set, and next time you receive a call, your chosen song will play as your ringtone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.